Welcome aboard this beautiful 1997 Sea Ray 330 Express, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 1997 Sea Ray 330 Express is a well-regarded sport cruiser from Sea Ray that blends performance, comfort, and luxury. Sea Ray is known for its craftsmanship, and the 330 Express is no exception. It is a versatile boat that appeals to both casual cruisers and those seeking a bit more performance, with features suitable for weekend getaways or day trips on the water. Additionally, as a luxury class express with the right mix of quality and performance, the 330 Express is a brilliant entertaining platform and an inviting place to spend entire days on the water. And with a sleek, stylish appearance that's both modern and unmistakably Sea Ray, the 330 Express is a boat you'll be proud to own and proud to share. The boat's handling is stable with responsive steering and good maneuverability even at higher speeds. It performs well in both calm and choppy waters thanks to its deep V hull design. The quality of materials is high, typical of Sea Ray's attention to detail. The gel coat, upholstery, and hardware are all durable and designed for a comfortable and long-lasting experience. The spacious extended swim platform is a nice touch for easy water access, making boarding easy from both stepping aboard from the dock and accessing from the water. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the 330 Express allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating. The cockpit layout is spacious and open, providing ample space for fishing and other activities. The well-arranged spaces in the cockpit provide easy maneuverability between them and include all the features of a well-designed boat. Additionally, the cockpit has a wet bar area, making it ideal space for entertaining guests or relaxing. Accessing the engine room is quick and effortless with a hydraulic power hatch that lifts with the push of a button. The Sea Ray 330 Express is equipped with twin Yacht diesel inboards that provide this Sea Ray with a smooth, fast, and quiet ride. Additionally, this Sea Ray is equipped with a generator for all the comforts when out on the water. Moving forward from the cockpit is safe and easy along the side deck. On the bow, you're greeted with a large area that is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The open bow offers easy access to the vertical windlass and windlass controls, allowing for quick, safe, and easy anchoring. The curved windshield provides excellent protection from the elements. The helm seats offer a commanding view of both forward and aft, providing optimal vision underway and docking. At the helm, a beautiful bolstered seat provides comfort and support. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a full range of instruments for the Yacht diesel engines, 2 Garmin chart plotters, Garmin autopilot, and a JL Audio Bluetooth-equipped sound system. Heading below, the well-appointed and luxurious cabin is bathed in soft light from the hull windows. The main cabin has easy access to the settee to starboard, which converts to a berth, and a galley to port. This spacious cabin features a galley with molded countertop and sink, refrigerator, 2-burner electric stove, built-in microwave, and ample storage. Forward is a well-sized V-berth that ensures nights on board are comfortable and relaxing. There is storage under the bunk and a hanging locker. Additionally, there are sliding doors that close to provide privacy for the V-berth. The head is spacious and includes toilet, shower, and storage. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Sea Ray 330 Express is designed to help you do it all. To book your appointment to view this Sea Ray 330 Express, contact Little Yacht Sales.